Let me say this straight. If you can't focus anymore, it's not because you're lazy, it's because your brain is overloaded. You wake up, grab your phone, scroll for a minute, and suddenly 40 minutes are gone. Then you wonder why your day feels rushed, your mind feels foggy, and nothing holds your attention. This isn't about quitting technology. This is about resetting your brain in 3 days, so you can use tech without it using you. Before you start, for the next 3 days, you're not chasing productivity, you're reducing stimulation. Big difference. If you keep adding more hacks while your brain is fried, nothing sticks. Day 1. Cut the noise. Today is simple. Turn off every notification except calls and messages. Not later, now. The extra effort matters more than you think. Set 3 phone check times for the day: morning, afternoon, night. Outside of that, the phone stays down. In the morning, do not touch your phone for the first 30 minutes. Wash your face, drink water, sit quietly. Boring is fine. By night, you'll feel restless. That discomfort is your brain realizing it's not in control anymore. Day 2. Break the habit loop. This is the hardest day. No fast content for the first 4 hours of your day. No reels, no shorts, no endless feeds. You'll catch yourself reaching for your phone without thinking. When that happens, stop, put it down. Do nothing for 10 seconds. That pause is where the reset happens. Replace scrolling with something physical. Walk, clean your room, stretch, write 1 page. Nothing exciting, just real. At some point, you'll feel bored and uncomfortable. Don't escape it. Sit with it. Your attention span only grows when you stop running from boredom. Day 3. Rebuild focus. Now your brain is quieter. Pick 1 task and work on it for 45 to 60 minutes with no phone nearby. It'll feel slow at first. Then suddenly, you'll lock in. That's focus. You didn't lose it. You buried it under noise. Before you sleep, write down 3 rules for your phone going forward. When you use it, what you avoid, what stays limited. If you don't set rules, you'll drift back. Final thought, your phone isn't the enemy. Your lack of control is. Do this 3-day reset properly, and you'll feel clearer, calmer, and sharper, not motivated, just stable. If you finish all 3 days, comment reset done. Most people won't. That already puts you ahead.